Hi, I'm Chungi. Alright, I'm here to introduce our drone and robot hub. Alright, please follow me. The drone and robot hub offer a conducive, authentic, and open AI platform for students to have their theory lesson, practical workshop, and competition.
Hi, I'm Celia. I'm the teacher in charge of Alpha Mini team. The students apply robotic programming to control the robot's gyroscope and accelerometer sensors to ensure smooth mobility. This robot has extensive API libraries, allowing students to explore AI in the form of voice, face, and object recognition, making the humanoid an intelligent companion.
Hi, I'm Lincoln, and I'm the teacher in charge of the RoboMaster team. With DJI RoboMaster programmable modules, students are able to program the robots to do multiple movements. All in all, they experience fun and joy while learning to program in Python and Scratch.
I'm Chris and I'm the student in charge for the drone. Learn how to program multiple drones to combine the video into the script for the drone performance so that they can both run at the same time.
Hi, I'm Mr. Tan. I'm from ITSN. So this is the lab of 1409. It's for us to do our networking solutions, and we are using Aruba now to test out the Wi-Fi 6 capability.
Hello, my name is Ilham and I am from Higher NITEC IT System and Network, and today I'll be showing you guys what the Wi-Fi 6 or the Aruba router look like.